Good morning, freshman multimedia student. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. This one is going to be for our proximity poster, and I've already shown you in a video the drawing part of it for the paper version. So now we're going to create the digital version of what we've drawn. So my proximity poster, and again, self-admittedly, I am not an artist, but we're going to digitize this and make it better. I've got proximity in big letters, I've got 3 trees, I've got 5 snakes, and I've got kind of the sky and kind of a park setting. So I'm going to recreate that in simple terms on a PowerPoint slide. So if I open up my slide here, and I'm going to go to File, then New, and there's a few things I want to do with this. I want to change the layout to blank. And if you don't have these grid lines and guidelines, you can go to View and actually turn them on here. So they help me line things up. So guidelines will do that for you. It'll do quadrants, and then grid lines will do boxes, and then see the rulers for size. And so now let's build our background. So I can go find, I can do one of two things. I can do it very simply and just like for the dirt, I can go to shapes. Simple. These and then change shape to like brown. So we can call it a day. Be my dirt. Or what I can do is Google Images and look up dirt background. So I can make it textured like this if I want to. And just have the same results. Maybe I'll pick this and copy back to my slide. Paste, Control V. Resize it. Stretch it out. Make the bottom part like the dirt, and the top part like the sky. So probably put like the trees and the snakes here. And so there's my dirt. Now I'm going to find a sky background. So since I did the dirt with the image, I think I can see it here. So it's done dirt, sky. Maybe I'll put sky with sun background. Yeah, that should work out like that. So copy that. PowerPoint. Control V to paste. And resize this so sky. Okay, dirt where I'm going to put my trees and my snakes. So now I'm going to do proximity here. So I'm going to insert word art, or you can use something from cooltext.com if you like, but I'm going to make it kind of simple by doing this. I'm going to do it letter by letter anyway. So I'm going to go P. Use the size. 125. Alright, let's go 150. And let's drag this over. Let's see if that works like this. There's P for proximity. So I can use Control C and V to copy and paste my boxes and then change the letters. And so now I'm going to go and change the colors for each one of these. So to show you how to do P, I can highlight. You want to highlight the letter, and you can do the text fill and the text outline. So I'm going to go do maybe texture on a few of these. So maybe I'll just alternate textures. So create the paper. Okay, so I've used the text fill on all of my letters, then I can go in line 7 anyway. just have to add trees and the snakes. So I'm going to do that next. So I'm going to insert pictures, and maybe let's go stock images to make it easy. I'm going to go to icons. I'm going to put snake. There's a snake right there. So let's insert that. And insert, just going to do copy and then paste for more. Change, actually, let's undo that. I'm going to make it so I can see. Let's make this graphic fill. Let's make it light. So now you can see it. Now I'm going to copy and paste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snakes. Now let's do a tree. So insert picture, stock image. Let's put trees. Contrast. Let's do icons again. Let's look for this. Let's just go with this. What filled? Let's do filled this time. And let's make them bigger trees. This. Let's make them green, maybe. Control C. That's it. I got 5 snakes. I've got 3 trees. I've got the word proximity in big letters. I've got a background. I've got a beautiful looking poster that is very similar to the one that I drew in the video here. It's even better because I did it digitally. So that's how you can build yours as well in a PowerPoint slide. If you need help during class, of course I will be coming around and helping where I can. See you back in class.